Orange. Orange surprise egg. Look what we got. We got Anna from Frozen. Yellow. Yellow surprise egg. We got Applejack from My Little Pony. Blue. Blue surprise egg. No way, you guys, we got Baymax from the Big Hero 6 movie. Red. Red surprise egg. Sweet! We got a rabbit, you guys. It's a talking plushie. Green. Green surprise egg. Awesome! We got Woody from Toy Story. What toy was your guys' favorite? Leave it in the comment section. Red surprise egg. Yellow surprise egg. Orange surprise egg. Green surprise egg. Blue surprise egg. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to thumbs up the video, comment, and share it with your friends. Until next time.